Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to fix something went wrong on YouTube. So let's get started the video. At first, what you need to do is completely close the YouTube app. So close the YouTube app. And the next thing is make sure your internet connection is working properly. It may fix your problem. But if it's still not working, then try restarting your phone or shut it down and turn it back on. Just hold the power button and click on restart. Another solution is uninstall the YouTube app and reinstall it. And also check if there is an update available or not. Go to your Play Store, just for YouTube, and then click on update. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.